Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tintin and I share real tips, guides, and experience about working on a cruise ship. If you're watching this, maybe you're dreaming of working on board or maybe you're already applying and asking yourself, anong cruise line ba ang pipiliin ko? Because let's be honest, this decision can really change your life. So in today's video, I'll share with you why I choose Royal Caribbean International, not just based on research, but based on real experience, real struggles, and real life lessons. Let me take you back to when I was just starting. Hindi siya madali. Back then, kami pa yung nagbabayad ng sariling plane ticket. Yes, before ka pa kumita, gagastos ka na agad. I still remember thinking, worth it pa ba talaga ito? Because imagine, mag-i-invest ka ng pera, magli-live ka ng comfort zone mo, and hindi mo pa alam kung anong mangyayari sa'yo on board. But I took the risk. Fast forward to now. One thing I really appreciate is that Royal Caribbean already shoulders both airfare. Sign on, covered. Sign off, covered. And for new applicants, malaking bagay ito because it removes one big burden. Hindi ka na magsisimula sa utang or pressure. Now let's talk about the environment. Working on board is not just a job. It's your life for months. And one of the reasons I choose Royal Caribbean is because of their family-oriented culture. You will meet people from different countries, iba-iba ang ugali, iba-iba ang culture. But somehow, you learn to connect. You celebrate birthdays together, you eat together, you support each other. And kapag pagod ka na, homesick ka na, sila yung nagiging second family mo. And that's something money cannot replace. Now, let's be practical. Salary matters. Hindi tayo pumunta sa barko just for experience. We're here to earn. Sa Royal Caribbean, the base salary is decent. But the real earning potential comes from tips and gratuities, especially sa bar department, restaurant, and housekeeping. Dito talaga pumapasok yung extra income. And I'm telling you, may months na mararamdaman mo talaga yung pagod mo because the income reflects it. Now, I want to share something exciting and honestly, isa ito sa pinaka-memorable experience ko. They have what we call charter cruises, meaning the whole ship is booked by a private group. Example like the famous Atlantis Gay Cruise. And let me tell you, this is a different level of experience. Guests are there to enjoy, to party, to celebrate. The energy on board, iba. And for the bar department, this is a peak season. As in, dito talaga kumikita. I personally experienced this and I can say this is one of the times na masasabi mo na, okay, worth it lahat ng pagod. Now let's talk about something serious but very important. Not everything on board is perfect. There will be challenges, there will be difficult days, but what I respect about Royal Caribbean is that they have the aware hotline. If you feel uncomfortable, if you experience something unfair, or if you're not happy, you have a safe way to speak up. And that matters because a crew member, you want to feel protected, not ignored. Another big reason I choose this company is stability. With Royal Caribbean, if you perform well, they don't just end your journey after one contract. They give you another one. Sometimes, even before ka pa bumaba ng barko, alam mo na agad kung kailan ka babalik. Imagine that kind of security, especially if you're supporting your family or building your future. This is very important. Now, here's something very motivating. Every month, they recognize hard work. They select Employee of the Month per department. And if you're chosen, you can receive incentives up to $1,000. But more than the money, it's the recognition. It tells you that your effort is seen, and that pushes you to do even better. Let's talk about life on board outside work. Because yes, may buhay ka pa rin. Royal Caribbean provides crew facilities like crew bar, gym, and lounges. Places where you can relax, unwind, and breathe. Because reality check, working on board is exhausting. So having a space to recharge, it's very important. Another reason I choose this company is growth. Hindi ka lang nila pinapadala para magtrabaho. They provide trainings to help you improve, learn new skills, and prepare for promotion. So habang kumikita ka, nag-i-invest ka rin sa future mo. And of course, the travel. The ports are amazing. Hindi siya boring. You get to see different countries, experience different cultures, at kahit saglit lang, you feel alive. For me, these moments become your reward. So why did I choose Royal Caribbean? It's not just one reason. It's the combination of everything. The support, the opportunities, the stability, the experience. Hindi siya perfect. But if you choose the right company, your journey becomes easier, more meaningful. And for me, this was the right choice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have questions about cruise ship life or application, just comment down below. I'll try to help. See you in the next video and maybe see you on board.